too. Them two. And now, they were 81 for damn sure. Oh, I killed some pig. Can't remember all of them. Jeffrey. Just got a blue. Already see that the machine have a shit in it. Some of the women don't like it. Or shit on the window of your car. Something just heard it. I want y'all to look at this. This young man just purchased him. He just purchased him this little old vehicle right here. He could have got a blue one, huh? Yeah. So good looking. We got the top. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Shit, some of it's in good shape. That motherfucker looks good, boy. Holy moly. Walk off and leave your damn beer. Huh? Get dehydrated out here. What's the matter with you? Look at that. We're fixing to go see Cuz. Well, that's pretty. Jeffrey done himself proud. Ooh, baby. Them women gonna be crawling up your oh yeah, Bubba. What I'm talking about. Gorgeous. Liking the wheels too. Wheels look good. Everything looks good on this one.